Duolingo is one of the world's most popular language learning apps, but if you're ready to pay for premium, you got two choices, Super Duolingo and the new Duolingo Max. Today we're breaking down what each tier offers and which one actually deserves your money. So Super Duolingo is the core premium upgrade that removes most pain points from the free app. It gives you an ad-free experience, unlimited hearts or energy in newer versions, so you can learn without limits, offline lessons, practice hub review, and streak repairs if you miss a day. Some of its pros: no ads, uninterrupted learning flow, unlimited hearts and energy. You can make mistakes without stopping. Offline lessons, great for travel and commutes, and strong for all supported languages. However, there's no advanced AI features. Explanations and practice are the standard Duolingo style and is still based on previewed exercises, so feedback can feel general. It's best for learners who want a smooth, unlimited Duolingo experience without ads or lesson interruptions, especially if you're learning languages not yet fully supported by Max. Duolingo Max builds on everything Super does and adds AI-powered features using advanced language models like GPT-4. You still get ad-free learning, unlimited hearts, and offline lessons. But Max layers in personalized explanations, AI roleplay practice, and interactive video call style chats with Duolingo characters to simulate real conversations. Some of its pros: explain my answer. It has AI-powered breakdowns of why your answers are right or wrong, like a tutor. Roleplay conversations, practice real-world dialogue with AI characters. Video call feature, simulated conversation scenarios that boost speaking confidence, and all Super perks include. However, it has a higher cost than Super, roughly 2 to 3 times more depending on plan and region. Some features aren't yet rolled out for all languages, though coverage is expanding. AI tools require newer devices for best performance, especially for students, serious learners, and anyone who wants deeper explanations, conversation practice, and personalized AI help, especially if you're tackling grammar or speaking skills. Here's the simple breakdown. Choose Super Duolingo if you want a solid premium upgrade with no ads, unlimited mistakes, offline lessons, and a smoother learning flow at a much lower price than Max. It's perfect if you're learning casually or want reliable daily practice. Choose Duolingo Max if you're serious about mastery and conversation skills. Max's AI features like Explain My Answer, roleplay, and video call chats make learning feel more like having a personalized tutor, not just completing drills. For grammar help and practical speaking practice, Max has a real edge. The bottom line: Super Duolingo is great value and enough for most learners. Max is worth the upgrade if you want AI-driven personalization and interactive conversation practice, and you're okay paying extra for it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.